Did you know that 80% of businesses are already using AI to save time and money? In this video, you'll learn about the top 10 free AI tools that can help you automate tasks, improve workflows, and make data-driven decisions. You'll discover how to get started with AI and transform your work and life. From beginners to businesses, these free AI tools are a game changer. AI tools are revolutionizing the way we work and live. From automating tasks to improving workflows, AI is helping us save time and money. But with so many AI tools available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we've put together a list of the top 10 free AI tools that you can start using today. The first AI tool on our list is a language translation tool. This tool uses machine learning to translate text and speech in real time, breaking down language barriers and opening up new opportunities for communication and collaboration. The second AI tool on our list is a predictive analytics tool. This tool uses data and machine learning to predict future outcomes and trends, helping you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. The third AI tool on our list is a chatbot tool. This tool uses natural language processing to create conversational interfaces that can help with customer support, sales, and marketing. The fourth AI tool on our list is an automation tool. This tool uses machine learning to automate repetitive tasks and workflows, freeing up time and resources for more strategic and creative work. The fifth AI tool on our list is a content generation tool. This tool uses natural language processing to generate high-quality content, such as blog posts, social media posts, and product descriptions. The sixth AI tool on our list is a data analysis tool. This tool uses machine learning to analyze large datasets and provide insights and recommendations. The seventh AI tool on our list is a virtual assistant tool. This tool uses natural language processing to create virtual assistants that can help with tasks such as scheduling, reminders, and research. The eighth AI tool on our list is an image recognition tool. This tool uses deep learning to recognize and classify images, and can be used for applications such as object detection and facial recognition. The ninth AI tool on our list is a speech recognition tool. This tool uses machine learning to recognize and transcribe speech, and can be used for applications such as voice assistants and transcription services. The 10th AI tool on our list is a natural language processing tool. This tool uses machine learning to analyze and understand human language, and can be used for applications such as text analysis and sentiment analysis. What's your favorite AI tool? In this video, we covered the top 10 free AI tools that can help you automate tasks, improve workflows, and make data-driven decisions. We explored language translation, predictive analytics, chatbots, automation, content generation, data analysis, virtual assistants, image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date with the latest AI tools and trends, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.